Hi, I'm Anna at Glo Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our Renew Serum. An advanced overnight clarifying treatment clinically proven to restore balance, refine texture, and support healthy skin renewal. Powered by a precise blend of retinol, glycolic acid, and salicylic acid, it smooths texture, brightens tone, and reveals skin at its clearest. As part of your evening ritual, apply directly after cleansing and toning 2 to 7 nights per week, or mix with other serums and moisturizers for a clarifying boost. Make sure to avoid the eye area. This is my go-to when skin feels out of balance. It's like a total reset for texture, clarity, and overall glow, all in one step.